Welcome! Today we're bringing you the best kitchen gadgets. We select for you the best gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. If you wanna buy any of them, the product link is in the description. Subscribe and watch this video till the end to discover the amazing gadgets world. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Introducing the Primo T261 water dispenser. This dispenser delivers great tasting cold, cool, and hot water on demand in any room of your home. With just the push of a button, you can now enjoy a delicious and refreshing glass of ice-cold water. The dispenser's powerful cooling system and 3-liter stainless steel reservoir ensure glass after glass of ice-cold refreshment. Enjoy instant access to piping hot water for all of your favorite beverages and quick meals. The 2-step child-resistant safety feature makes the T261 suitable for families of any size. Primo's spill-proof bottle holder with leak guard prevents spills while loading the Primo pre-filled bottles. Stainless steel accents match any decor, and an LED nightlight provides added convenience. For great taste and quality, use with Primo pre-filled exchange water or self-service refill water. Available at thousands of locations nationwide.
Genie S3 Smart To turn on the mug, Genie
Vide rack divider is made of 18/8 stainless steel. It includes 5 dividers, which could be easily inserted vertically into the slots within the base to stop themselves from wobbling and foods from falling off thanks to the unique design of the built-in nylon clips. Those who aren't equipped with the nylon clips would not hold the dividers firmly, making it very wobbly. With the extension of the 2 handles at 2 sides, they are able to hold up to 6 sealed bags at a time. Dividers could be adjusted to hold sealed bags of different sizes. Additional top bar stops the sealed bags from floating, so food could be cooked evenly and thoroughly, particularly for vegetables. Curved feet does not scratch the bottom of the pots. The 2 handles at sides could be folded for easy storage in your kitchen.
This should look all too familiar. An unsightly can with an ill-fitting liner that may or may not stay put. It's time to take out the trash. Simple Human has transformed the trash can experience. Beautiful design and features such as the strong steel pedal and silent close lid make taking out the trash simple and efficient. And since one size doesn't fit all, each can has a liner designed especially for it. That way you get the perfect fit every time. Our liners come in 19 different sizes and counting. You'll never have any overhang or slippage with Simple Human liners. Our liners are built with a double seam construction, so the bags never split open. They're also super strong, made with thicker, high-quality material for the strongest, most durable liner, even when you overstuff them. And thousands have agreed. And with our easy-to-use and convenient dispenser pack, the next one is always at your fingertips. Select sizes are even available in bulk packs to save you time and money. You can get any of our liners online and at select retailers. Simple Human cans and custom-fit liners. Taking out the trash has never been so simple.
Introducing the ultimate innovation in vacuum sealing. This convenient 2-in-1 food saver system gives you more ways to seal and more ways to save, making it the perfect appliance for all of your short and long-term food storage needs. The Food Saver vacuum sealing system keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer and helps you save up to $2,700 a year. With automatic bag making, the appliance does all the work. Dispense and rewind bag material from a roll, then seal and cut to make a bag with just the press of a button. The Food Saver vacuum sealing system automatically senses the Food Saver bag and starts the vacuum sealing process. Then applies a virtually airtight heat seal to help prevent freezer burn and spoilage. Why throw away expensive meat and fish when you can save it with a Food Saver system? Eliminate guesswork with the Food Saver vacuum sealer. Indicator lights simplify troubleshooting and maintenance by letting you know when it's time to empty the drip tray or check the bag material. The retractable handheld sealer works with zipper bags, containers, and accessories for fridge and pantry items. Perfect for storing cereal, baking items, snacks, and more. You will save time in the kitchen with the Food Saver vacuum sealing system's rapid marinate mode. Marinate food in minutes instead of hours by using the marinate cycle to infuse your food with flavor. Cleanup has never been easier thanks to the integrated removable drip tray drawer. Trust the vacuum sealer rated #1 in performance to keep your food fresh up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. The Food Saver 2-in-1 vacuum sealing system. More ways to seal, more ways to save.
The Food Saver FM 3000 series vacuum sealing system is the smart way to keep food fresher and save money. If you buy food in bulk or prepare your meals in advance, you don't want food to spoil because you'll just end up throwing it away. The Food Saver FM 3000 series keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer and helps you save up to $2,700 a year. The compact Food Saver has an integrated bag cutter and convenient roll storage. The unique multi-layer Food Saver bags and the powerful vacuum bar create a strong seal to prevent freezer burn and keep food tasting great, while the integrated handheld accessories seal zipper bags and fresh containers used in the fridge or pantry. With the Food Saver FM 3000 series, you'll always be ready with fresh food for your next meal. Food Saver, fresher food longer.